So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the largest market cap stocks in the United Kingdom here on Yahoo Finance. So once the Yahoo Finance app is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom bar and press on the Discover icon or the magnifying glass. Once you're here, go to the top left, make sure that equities is selected. If crypto is selected, ETFs or whatever, just scroll to the bottom or to the top left and press on equities. Scroll all the way down to the bottom then to where it says market value, largest market cap, and cover the equities with the largest market cap. Press on that. Now, if you want to view the largest market cap stocks in the United Kingdom, it's fairly straightforward. First off, go to where it says market cap right here. Press on that. Make sure that large and mega cap stocks are selected. Once that is done, slide this bar to the left. Go to where it says region. Press on region. Go all the way to the bottom to where it says United States, uncheck that. Then where it says United Kingdom, press on that right there. Then press on apply at the bottom, and there you go. 2,580 symbols. It's pretty straightforward, but this is how you guys can now view the largest market cap stocks in the United Kingdom here on Yahoo Finance. So you can scroll down, see everything for yourself, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.